bend fire, so there's no.
Use a fire bender.
Use a bender. Use a bender.
I never said that. I know a girl named Fire I used to bend. I never said it's a fire.
Used to bend her.
I used to bend her.
You see, this paper look like it's lighting.
It look like it lighted. We gotta get it dark. So I mean the vegetable. We don't eat the veg. Let me take it off, cause you don't even judge me. You know, this is perfect. This is how I like it. A little stiff, a little chewy. Well, the potatoes. Don't worry the outside. You don't eat the skin anyways. Alright, so I can start recording my screen for my YouTube video as well. So please behave. No more vulgarity, no more curse words, and the use be going on with. And I could send this out to the community. Oh wow! For me, once I catch a trade is nice, but once I could call the trade out, even if nobody else can catch it, once I could call it out before I enter the trade and it actually goes in the direction, that is a true win. That's a true W for the day. And my pride, seeing your trades come down to stop loss after it would have hit your take profit is annoying. It's not a feeling that I had to go through much of before. Before, sometimes price would just almost hit the take profit and then come back down to break even or a stop loss. But that was just a matter of, you know, learning from your trades, learning from your history, learning from your losses and your mistakes, and then refining your strategy, because as usual, right? As usual.
No.
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah, tell them no why in them places they picked up.
Yeah. But like make the fried rice in the pineapple. But I don't see you.
Make the fried rice in the pineapple.
Yeah, you said it's usual.
No.
Put the fried rice in the pineapple.
No.
I know about that.
I put it in the fried rice. We live in my Australia.
Everybody up.
Everybody up. Give them all up, yeah. I know y'all seen this big ass bite. Here on them. Talk to y'all in a second. So we there on the ends. And not the usual way of starting these videos, but we currently vibing. We got a barbecue in the making. Let me show you how we're going on. I know it's not no real setup as yet, but we're doing like a little, you know, country style cookout fireside, you know, fire in the ground and grill on top of that with little blocks. Let me show you all the yard. It's a whole lot of vegetation, some closing back. But we're doing some shrimp, beef, well not shrimp, prawns, beef, corn and potatoes. So yeah man, I'll stick through today. So I have pending order, a sell limit I actually sent out to the community, but price came down almost close to our entry and then went up. So we hope that we have a little retracement back down to the entry. If not, then I don't have a trade today, but it was looking like a nice one though. Oh, yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea, I show me what I'm on with me. Great things like the ocean, yeah. In your day, I've been planning some joke explosion.
Stop every turn away train. Everything fence, every lane. In your game, see the sky like plane. Them a pray for me fall like rain.
You're gonna try for like it for one time.
I used to bend fire, so there's no.
Use a fire bender.
Use a bender. Use a bender.
I never said that. I know a girl named Fire I used to bend. I never said it's a fire.
Used to bend her.
I used to bend her.
You see, this paper look like it's lighting.
It look like it lighted. We gotta get it dark.
It's a bad man, you know that one.
What's the? Oh, Scott. Man, fine, man.
Fine.
It's a bad. Not bad.
Just switch for the plug.
There's a bender.
Don't feel hot over here, bro.
Under the coconut tree is danger.
Fast, lend me a lighter.
Big up yourself, Star. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Right now we're trying for barbecue, you know what I mean?
Put a nice coconut there for coals.
Nah, baby, we gotta get more flame.
What else you got there for this flame, bro?
One light, one spark. One flame. So, the fire is blazing, and I ain't really want to go in the sun for sure y'all this thing up close, but yeah. Sure, yeah, we're going on. If y'all can see it there. Yeah, so we got the carne. Wait, one finger. This one is beef. There's carne, them long ones is carne, them wrong ones is potatoes, the carne, and then we got some prawns in there. It's individually wrapped in case you know it's so confusing, it look confusing to you, but yeah. How to say, I mean, they're gonna show a little butter up on the open potato. Right there and then.
Look at that. Bad with it, bad. Let me get inside too.
Inside the slit. Bombo. Y'all don't know now. We in. Check back in with y'all. Huh? More wood?
Just making sure.
Yeah. The trade definitely went away and left me, so no trade today. Yeah, so close, bro. Yeah, the trade definitely went away and left me, so doesn't look like I have a trade today. Still gonna be monitoring the charts, still gonna be actively looking at it because I got the laptop with me. So actively monitoring the fire and the grill, and I'm also actively monitoring the charts. Hey, it's a tough job, but somebody gotta do it. Checking with y'all in a couple of minutes though. Alright, here's the thing, right? To some of y'all, they're gonna look bun, but for the rest of the week, you're gonna look done. So I don't really do medium rare and whatever other type of rare it get. So I mean the vegetable, we don't eat the let me take it off because y'all don't even judge me. You know, this is perfect. This is how I like it. Little stiff, little chewy, you know. Yeah. The potatoes. Don't worry the outside, you don't eat the skin anyways. But you see the inside there though? A little raw, but don't watch none of that. You see the carne now. Obviously we not eat this one side, but you see the other side, bro. We about to make a mess of this. And here, pay close attention, you would see the individual prawns that are also burning. I mean, it's not burning. We can monitor this one. Trust me, you can come out far better. Watch. Alrighty then, alright. Alright. Yeah, I can see the shrimp. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, nice taste to it. What's the be a scene?
I'm look you fancy my bread, you know what I'm saying? Peeps.
To the box side,
you think salty?
Nah.
Alright, so I can start recording my screen for my YouTube video as well, so please behave. No more vulgarity, no more curse words, and they use be going on with, and I could send this out to the community. Oh wow! For me, once I catch a trade is nice, but once I could call the trade out, even if nobody else can catch it, once I could call it out before I enter the trade and it actually goes in the direction, that is a true win. That's a true W for the day.
That's something very confident.
It and my pride.
Are we going against your rules, eh?
Yeah, thank you, Tiffany, for reminding me of that. Yeah, thank you for not allowing me to secure my profits and feel even worse if this trade touched my stop loss. We come all the way down here, and if I didn't have this stop loss right here, we would have come back. Here's my stop loss, my take profit right here, we would have come back again and test my faith, my patience, my everything, and then go down. I don't care what price wants it at. This ain't the first. Prices be doing the bullshit, but I'm going to stand through it. This is what makes you a better trade. Jesus Christ. Look at this candle. You love this thing. We took liquidity here.
No, look at the candle in there.
Look at the candle, bro.
Oh my goodness. That's
And-
not coming down for just now, Kevon.
She said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. I don't even know what he said. But we back. And, shoots, bro. Alright. Before I even explain what happened. Actually, let me explain what happened, then I'll tell you this. So as you can see there on the charts, this price barely touched TP. Like, literally, it was like one single pip away from the actual take profit that I sent out. I'm going to be completely honest, right? I sent out the take profit is 21,592. This price touched 21,591.9 and reverse. That's okay. It's fine. It's alright with me. What is not alright, however, is the fact that I forgot. Again, for the third time this year. This year is 20 days in, or 21 days in. We're 21 days in this year, and this is the third time I did not place a take profit on this trade. And I pay for it. I'm paying for it, bro. Now, all of these trades were reduced risk. I definitely had a stop loss. That is there. You know, I am managing my risk. I am managing my losing trades. Honestly, it's very good. Very, very well. Best losing trade manager. But the winning ones, bro, it's becoming so annoying to know that I am predicting the right move, bro. I'm not wrong in my analysis. I am not greedy either, but to some extent I am not placing the take profit because I believe that I can be beyond right that I'm aiming for, if that makes sense, you know? And it is greedy. It's not greedy in the sense that I want it to go there, but it is greedy in the sense that I'm not accepting what I'm analyzing for. I'm accepting, or I am expecting more than what I analyze for, when what I analyze for is more than enough. I did just a little quick math, and this being the third trade that I basically lost because I didn't have a take profit there. That's about, with reduced risk, I'm aiming for $30 off of this trade. I know it's so little, and I'm risking $15, just 1 to 2, right? That's $90 thus far with the 3 trades I've missed thus far for the year. It's only 21 days in the year. $90. And you might think, $90 ain't that much. But then when you realize it's $90 across 6 accounts, you just realize it's different. It would have meant something seeing that reflect in my balance. And not seeing it reflecting my balance also means something, you know? It means that I'm doing something wrong. It means that I need to do the necessaries to make sure that this doesn't happen again. In fact, that brings me back to the first thing that I was gonna say. I am actually making a promise to you watching this, that I am not ever going to enter a trade without a take profit and stop loss from this point moving forward. You might be asking yourself, how much weight does that promise have? You don't know, but I value, you know, your attention, your time, you in a whole. So me making a promise to you is the same as me making a promise to myself. And I don't know how people is viewed themselves, but me and myself, that's loads of respect there, bro. That's a very important individual to me. And if I value you the same way I value me, then me making this promise to you, believe you me, I'm gonna keep it. Because whether I want to admit it or not, seeing your trades come down to stop loss after it would have hit your take profit is annoying. It's not a feeling that I had to go through much of before. Before, sometimes price would just almost hit the take profit and then come back down to break even or your stop loss. But that was just a matter of, you know, learning from your trades, learning from your history, learning from your losses and your mistakes, and then refining your strategy. Because the times when price would barely go to my take profit and then reverse, I use those moments to help me, you know, create a better system where when I place my take profit, price won't just barely go in front of it and reverse without actually taking me out of the trade. I'm going to adjust my take profit to those zones where price would like to reverse before hitting my take profit. So I started seeing more of my take profit getting hit. So I solved that problem. But this issue here of not placing a take profit, it has a lot to do with the amount of accounts that I'm managing. Because a lot of the times when I'm placing a limit order or even I'm opening a market order, I don't have the time to set both stop loss and take profit on all of the accounts before the price makes a significant move. So most of the times I'm just able to set a stop loss and entry, or if I'm opening a trade, I'm just able to set the stop loss. And that would save time, but I would also not go back and place a take profit, not because I don't remember, but because at the time, if the trade is in my favor, subconscious or subliminal, wherever, sub in my mind, I am thinking maybe I can capitalize a little bit more than I was initially aiming for this trade. And that right there just happens to be the main reason why I'm losing the trades. This happens to be the main reason why I'm in drawdown currently, because I did the calculation, having that $90 across the accounts, I would still be in a slight drawdown, about like $40 or so, but that would be for all of the accounts. I'm in 100 and something drawdown on 2 of the accounts. I'm in 200 and something drawdown in 2 of the other accounts. For the 10K, I'm in about like $60 something drawdown, and my personal, I am actually up. I'm only up about like $60 or $70 though. The risk on my personal is, in terms of dollar wise, the same as all of the prop firms. You might be saying that's stupid, you might be saying that's reckless, but let me ask you something. Of the, let's say you have a 10K account, of that 10K, how much of it are you actually allowed to lose? 10%, which means only have access to 10% of that 10K account. So that would be $1,000. So if you had $1,000 balance in your personal funds, then you could trade the exact same way you trade on the 10K account. You're managing your risk as in percent wise. You're not gonna risk the entire 1,000 because that's your maximum drawdown. In fact, they wouldn't even allow you to risk the entire 1,000. They would tell you it's like 5% per day. So if you're risking $500 per day, I doubt you would want to lose that entire $500. You might probably risk about 100 or 200. So, and I don't even risk that much. On a 10K account, I'd probably be risking like 0.5%. And if 1% can be $100, then 0.5 can be 50. So yeah, I would be risking from 0.3 to 0.5%. So on my personal funds, instead of 0.3 to 0.5%, it'll be more something like 3% to 5%. And it might sound like a lot, but really and truly it's not, because I am literally doing the same thing on a prop firm account. It's just that I have extra zeros, but I can't actually trade those extra zeros. I'm just trading the 10% drawdown and the 5% drawdown. So food for thought. Prop firms can train you to handle your personal funds better, to be comfortable with larger risk. And yeah, anywho, if you made it this far, please remember to like and subscribe. I'll definitely catch you in the other one. Peace.